Hey folks, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit. I'm Tony Hill. Hey, just wanted to bring you a quick video. I did another video on how to get all three credit reports and FICO scores on Experian. This is an updated version because they changed the format and it looks different from the video that you may see or have seen. So I want to give you some updated information. So look, most of you guys probably got a free Experian account. So I'm just going to run through this really quickly. So when you get on Experian, you're going to see some tabs up here. What you want to do is hover on the one that says credit at the top. Okay. And it's not on this page because this is the second page and I want to protect the identity of this credit report. Okay. Sorry about that. But at the top, when you go to the home page, you're going to have some tabs and it says credit. Hover where it says credit. It's going to drop down. Click credit reports. Then you're going to get to this. You're going to see this. You're going to see a score. Then you're going to see Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion up here. And you're going to see the date. Then right in this space here, you're going to see where it says review my three FICO scores. And that's to actually get you to buy them. So, but scroll down here. And what you're going to do, and when you see the zeros, now if when you click on this page and you see a dollar amount in here, don't do anything because they're not, and maybe you got a free one before. So if you've done the free and then, because normally they'll give you 30 days to do it again. So if you have a free one, you have a dollar amount in here, don't click it. Okay. So then what you do next, when you see this, you go, getting ahead of myself a little bit here. So, click on to do this, and it'll basically tell you you're getting this for 7 days for free. Then after that, it's just $24 a month. So I'm going to show you a little hack here. So click on that. Once you click on that, and you'll need a credit card. Look, I've been using the same gift card with $1 on it for, I don't know, 3 to 4 years now. It works if you do that. If you don't want to put a real credit card in here. So you can add one if you already have one, fine. But only do it when you see the zeros. So anyway, once you do that, you click on that. You're going to see a little box that pops up here and it says, see your scores, see all three credit scores and reports. I know you're excited. You're going to be, hey, Tony's the bomb. It worked. I know you're going to be excited, but don't click there yet. What I want you to do before you do that, so basically what happens at the top of your report, and it's going to be better, but at the top of every report, you're going to see a little bell, notification bell alerts, and then you're going to see your initials. So what I want you to do, you're going to click your initials, and then you're going to get to this page, okay? And then, and that's going to take you to where it says account information, connect accounts, communication preferences, membership. So what you're going to do, you're going to see this page, and I want you to see what it looks like. Okay. Um, you're going to see all of this, your 4-digit number and all your information, password. So what I want you to do, I want you to click on membership details. Once you click on membership details, it's going to take you to this page. Okay. And basically, your account information, and then it's going to tell you that this is the new membership plan that you have, right? So what we're going to do, we're going to go here because we're going to change that. So down below, it's going to say, do you want to keep your plan? And you're going to click no. This is an option. This is your current plans that you just signed into. But what you want to do, you want to go here and you want to click. You're gonna go back to your plan that you had, which is the CreditWorks Basic free. So click here, downgrade your membership. Now that takes you back to the membership that you had. But remember, you got all three reports and scores for free. We're not gonna look at those just yet. So then you're gonna get to this page, okay, folks? Then it's gonna say keep your credit lock safeguard. Now look, If you guys want to spend the $5, I don't, but you can lock your credit score. But also in Experian, I'll do another video. You can actually freeze your report, so you really don't need to lock your report if you don't want to. Okay, if you want to be totally free, you could do that. But anyway, if you don't want that, which I don't, so then what you do, you just go, I don't want the credit lock, downgrade. Okay, so then you're gonna do it. Then you're gonna go here. Okay, then that's gonna take you to the reason that you're changing your membership. Well, my thing is none of your business, but you need to put a reason in here. So when you're gonna click on that, and then you're gonna see this. It's going to actually, once you click on the reason, it's going to give you several choices. I always just use not worth it, too expensive. Sorry about that. Let me go back down here. So after you click the reason for the membership change, and you're going to get some drop downs. I always click, and you're going to get several drop downs. And I always click, I think I always click not worth the price, but they have other things. I can't remember what they say. Uh, it like I said, it doesn't fit my needs. There's a bunch of things that I always use. Not worth the price, too expensive. So then you click that, and then you should get an email where you canceled your membership and the back to the free. Now you're free to go check your updated credit reports, all three, and all three FICO scores. So hopefully you guys got some value out of this. If you like this video, I know it might be a little confusing. You might have to watch it a couple times to get it, but you just saved $360. Also, if you like the video, please click the like button. And don't, like I always say, don't keep this information to yourself. If you know your friends and family who have Experian, they want to get all three FICO scores, share this information with them. Tell them to watch this video. Also, if you got questions about this, reach out to me. If you want a tutorial one-on-one with me, reach out to me at Tony@MakingSenseOfCredit. All right. Hopefully you guys got some value, and be safe out there, folks. Thanks.